Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you two ways that would help you to buy XRP on Binance. For that, you need to launch your Binance mobile application, and then in the search bar, you simply need to search for XRP. Once done, you are able to find a bunch of different pairs of XRP such as XRP/USDT, XRP/FDUSD, XRP/TUSD. So as we want to purchase XRP using USDT, you will have to select the pair of XRP/USDT. Now over here, you are going to see this buy tab. So you simply need to tap on buy, and after that you will be redirected on this purchase page. Now over here, you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase your XRP. You can even use this slider and it will automatically take the percentage that you select. Let's say you want to purchase 50% of your portfolio in purchasing XRP. So you will have to tap on buy XRP over here, and then your order will be placed. So whenever XRP hits this price that you have selected over here, your order will be placed and you are going to get XRP in your Binance app. Now the second way is that you can convert your USDT into XRP. For that, you will have to come to the home page of Binance app again, and then you need to tap on this Binance icon in the top left hand corner. After that, you need to tap on more services, and then you need to use this search bar, and in the search bar you simply need to search for convert. After that, you need to tap on convert, and then you will be redirected on this conversion page. Now over here, you need to make sure that it is selected as market in the top. Then in the from section, you will have to search for USDT, and after that in the to section, you will have to search for XRP. After that, you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to convert into XRP. After that, you will have to tap on preview conversion in the bottom, and then you need to tap on the convert button in the bottom, and this way you will be able to easily purchase XRP on Binance. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.